Hello guys, if you're like me and smartphone is the best part of your life, then you must have occurred the problem of their batteries. And so today's video is all about that only. I mean to say that we are going to make a power bank. So let's see what materials we are going to require for them. These three things only. Shocked. So let me tell you how many what these all are things are. This is a TP4056 charging module with a battery protection. This is a boost converter IC. Boost converter module. You can easily see the name as it says XL609. And this is 18650 battery. These are cheaply available in the markets. This particular one is 2800 mAh battery, and we are going to require them 6. I have plenty of them. Basically I'm going to use 6 because I want more than 10,000 mAh bank. So let's get started to the video. Now I have removed all these sort of connections from their circuit, and as you can see, its battery protection circuit is over here only. So you can buy with protection batteries or without protection, as up to you. So guys, basically what we are going to do is we are going to connect all these 6 batteries in parallel like this, and make sure that you have charged all 6 batteries individually beforehand. And here is our charger, and this is our boost converter. If you see the TP4056 module or the charger, you will find there is some output. You will find some output negative terminals and B plus and B minus and output plus terminals. Here B plus is B minus are for the connecting the batteries, and output is for taking the output. This will prevent our battery from short circuit or any their over discharge and charge protections. So basically now connecting the plus of the charger to the battery and common the ground. Here is the full circuit diagram. You can get easily in the if you want to download it, you can easily get it in the description below. Now let's see our boost converter. Our boost converter looks like this. On looking closely, you can see a potentiometer over here. Let me point it with a pen. Over here you can rotate it like with your nail if you have sufficiently long, or with a screwdriver only. It's up to you. Now this is given as to regulate our output voltage up to the sufficient we want. I'm placing the battery in the charger, and here is a boost converter. Now this part is not as typical as it looks. It's just a USB female jack. Let me show you. Here is it, and it's going to be here. Now let's connect the now as you can see, I have connected a battery whose 3.7 volt is boosting up by the boost converter, and here as you can see a 9.7 volts. Now we are going to regulate or decrease it to the 5.2 volts, which is nominal for the cell phones. Yes, remember not to go beyond the 5.2 volts. Now let's bring the circuit to the practical purpose. I'm going to use two USB cables, two USB female jack. I've already boosted the 5 volts as I've shown. Now I'm going to connect all these batteries in parallel and then add some diodes. I mean to the light emitting diodes to my board. These one. Let me do that. Now I've connected each and every component as in the circuit to the respective modules. Now I'm going to check whether this is working or not. Here it is, my phone. I've connected a USB cable here, and as you can see it says charger connected. Now I'm going to show you another phone. If you think it will not work with others, then this is another phone whose charging has started. If you can see now, here's my phone, which is here, and as you can see the charging symbol over the above here and the red light also. So our circuit is complete. Now I'm going to find some decent casing for placing all these stuff inside, and I have come across this. I've already prepared some holes, as you can see, and place a switch, and there are two holes which are for the LEDs. I'm going to replace these LEDs with the bigger one here. I'm going to do that now. Now guys, as you can see, I have completed all the connections and placed it inside a box. There are two terminals for the output and one for the charging. Now I'm going to cover it from the top. For that I'm going to use this, and before that I'm going to stick all the movable parts. Let me do that. So guys, I've pasted everything, and in the meanwhile my switch button was also damaged, so I need to change that. And while testing the other port, I came across that it was not working, and I am not able to figure out what the problem is. And so the upper port is also only working. Now I'm going to cover it. Let me do that. So guys, I have completed the pasting of back cover using my super glue only. Now I'm going to show you the working of both the charging port and the discharging port. Here's my phone. Now you can see the red light above and the charging has started. Now let me try the other ones. You can see the charging. It says that charging has charger has connected and charging is started. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you like. Then do subscribe to my channel, Mr.I.C. Thank you guys.